Mark Chalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars. Today I have the pleasure of presenting you an absolutely beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Custom. This car's been completely restored. It only has a few hundred test miles since completion. Excellent body. It's painted in the original Glacier Blue color. It sports the original color interior as well. It's been completely restored. Absolutely beautiful. Custom gauges, Budnik steering wheel, custom wheels. The engine compartment's highly detailed. It's got a 4.8 liter V8 coupled to a T5 transmission with a 12-bolt rear end. It's got four-wheel disc brakes, highly detailed undercarriage. You got to check it out on our website for a complete description with tons of photos at msclassiccars.com. I'm going to go ahead and start the car, let you listen how beautiful it runs.